Anamai Mitchell Munina. My name is Tenu Rosemary Ama with a stage name Terra. I am 23 years old and a level 300 midwifery student at the Nursing and Midwifery Training College in Keta. I am representing my school in this year's maiden edition of Miss Nightingale. When I'm crowned queen, I would like to embark on a project I call the Quest to End Malaria in Pregnancy. I believe Miss Nightingale is a huge platform for me to solicit for sponsors to come on board to end this cause. Keep voting for me and help this cause to become a reality. Thank you.
Epede keep when Tara wa competition imwa. Dial *447 *200# wa network nyina.
Beatrice Japan is my name, Queen B for short. 20 years of age, a level 200 registered general nursing student from College of Nursing in Tertiary. I'm an Ashanti and hails from GyeNyamepalace, a proud past student of Otumfo Osei the second college. I love to read and listen to music. I'm compassionate and empathetic. I love to impact my society positively by offering help to children who are being abused. I'm partaking in Miss Nightingale 2023. I would like to use the platform to enlighten people on how child abuse is affecting children. I hope you like this, right? To keep me in the competition, kindly like, comment and share my pictures and videos on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at Rene Foundation. Thank you.
Epede keep Queen B wa competition imwa. Dial *447 *200# wa network nyina.
I believe a queen should be intelligent, smart, confidential, committed, and above all, God-fearing, of which I believe I am a definition. I respond to the name Sandra Fosu Dede, second-year student of Nursing and Midwifery Training College, Sunyani. I'm partaking in Miss Nightingale 2023. With your support, if I'm crowned as a queen, I'm going to educate the young ones on menstrual hygiene. Please like, comment, share my videos and pictures on Rene Foundation on all social media. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Epede keep Queen Dede wa competition imwa. Dial *447 *200# wa network nyina.
Hemolytic disease of the newborn, also known as erythroblastosis fetalis, is a disorder that occurs as a result of certain types of blood incompatibility between a pregnant woman and a fetus. Did you know that hemolytic disease of the newborn babies are preventable? What are even the indexes of hemolytic disease of the newborn? Hi, my name is Owusibrago Stella with the stage name Queen Stella, 21 years of age and a level 200 student midwife of the Nursing and Midwifery Training College, GyeNyamepalace. I love to read and cook. I hail from Konongo Edmasa in the Ashanti region, an old product of T.I. Ahmadiyya Senior High School for Minna. I believe everyone has the potential of achieving greatness, and I think Miss Nightingale 2023 has given me the platform. Statistics have shown that about 4,000 cases of hemolytic disease of the newborn babies are recorded annually, and this is why I would like to use this platform to create awareness of hemolytic disease of the newborn babies, especially within GyeNyamepalace and its environs. Please kindly keep me in the contest by liking, commenting and sharing my pictures on Renee Foundation pages. Renee Foundation can be found on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Epede keep Queen Stella wa competition imwa. Dial *447 *200# wa network nyina.
Being a beauty pageant is not just being a model, but making a difference in serving your community. Hello Ghana, my name is Ruth Nana Adjoa Odai, with a stage name Queen Ruth, a level 200 student of St. Carol's School of Nursing. I'm partaking Miss Nightingale 2023 to gain the platform in order to support children on the streets of Kaswa. My best policy is having a sense of humor and being honest. To keep me in the competition, I would like you to comment, like and share my pictures on Renee Foundation page. Thank you.
Epede keep Queen Ruth wa competition imwa. Dial *447 *200# wa network nyina.
Many people just like you tend to the market to help build a home, send children to college, or build a retirement nest egg. I respond to the name Jesuslyn Wahima, a 21-year-old, ambitious, beautiful, brave, determined and hardworking lady who hails from Kwewu in the eastern region of Ghana. I am a proud registered general nursing student of the Whole Nurses Training College and a past product of KJB Asato Senior High School. Reading and going on hikes are things I love to do during my leisure time. As part of my many ambitions, I like to help people with the little I have to make life easy for them. When I'm being crowned the next Miss Nightingale 2023, I will use this medium to help train needy student nurses in some entrepreneurial skills they will use to cater for themselves and help their parents pay fees. To keep me in the competition, kindly follow, like, share and comment on all my pictures and videos on the Renee Foundation page. Thank you.
Epede keep when Jesus led wa competition imwa. Dial *447 *200# wa network nyina.
Hello nurses in the noble profession. Hello CHNMTC Tanoso. It's your girl Eunice Adwa, a 24-year-old, a student of community health nursing and midwifery, Tanoso. I am partaking in this year's Miss Nightingale 2023 to gain the platform to improve upon the nutritional status of children in most rural communities. To keep me in the competition, share, like, comment on my pictures on the Renee Foundation page on all social media platforms to improve upon the growth and development of children in our nation. Thank you.
Epede keep Queen Eunice for competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in yina.
Hello Ghana man, Kankamo being gifted is my name with the stage name Abena. I'm 20 years of age, a student of University of Cape Coast and a level 300 BSc nursing student. I'm sociable, although I'm an introvert, but I'm very cool and kind to be with. When I'm crowned the Miss Nightingale 2023, my project is to talk about drug abuse. Drug abuse is very rampant in Ghana, and I would like to educate the young people about drug abuse. To keep me in the competition, kindly like, comment, share all my pictures on Renee Foundation on all social media handles. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Epede keep Queen Abena for competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in yina.
Real beauty is seen in being true to oneself, and that's what makes me feel good. My name is Whitney Sampa, and I'm popularly addressed as Ohima. I'm a level 200 student of Presbyterian University, Ghana. My hobbies are dancing, singing, reading and acting. I have passion to take care of pregnant women and babies. So when I win Miss Nightingale 2023, I'm going to use this platform to educate women on maternal mortality. To keep me in the competition, go to Renee Foundation on all social media platforms and like, comment and share my pictures and videos. Thank you.
Epede keep Ohima for competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in yina.
Lovely people of Ghana, to the colleagues of the most noble profession. This is your girl, Opoku Efriye Higa, from the NMTC Kumasi. I am representing NMTC Kumasi for this year's Miss Nightingale 2023. For me to win this competition, I will need your votes, your support, your likes on all social media handles at the Renee Foundation. So vote for me as I come out to educate you. Thank you.
Epede keep Queen Hega for competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in yina.
People of Ghana, nurses and midwives in this noble profession. I'm Miss Olivia Mashirwa, a level 100-year student of Losam Institute of Nursing, Midwifery and Allied Health Sciences, Suhum, in the Eastern region. I'd like to use this opportunity given to me if I emerge the winner of Miss Nightingale 2023 to educate women, especially pregnant women, on their nutritional needs during pregnancy and after pregnancy. I'd like you all to vote for me in this Miss Nightingale Beauty Pageantry 2023.
You can vote for me by subscribing to Renef Foundation on all social media platforms, by liking my videos, sharing and commenting as well. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Epede keep when Olivia for competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in Yina.
Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. Hello, lovely people out there. It's your girl, Natasha Grace Donko, a second-year registered general nurse of Nursing and Midwifery Training College, Asante Mampo. I am known to be very adventurous. When I'm crowned as the Queen of Miss Nightingale 2023, I would help eradicate stigmatization of the disabled, since we know it has now become the most common trend in our modern world, and it has led to the disabled not being able to socialize in the society. The disabled are also humans like us. Therefore, they need to be treated with tender care. Let's stand up for each other and let's love lead. Don't forget to visit the Renef Foundation page on our Instagram and Facebook. Like, comment and share my pictures. Thank you. I love you all. Team Tasha to the whole Riasi.
Epede keep when Tasha for competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in Yina. The search for the queen among queens is here again. Ayenema for who fefwa wofri hinapo muzini madisunya bia wagani nyinara. GyeNyamepalace for the ultimate crown for Miss Nightingale 2023. Anything improve maternal and child health care and beyond 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Eyi Yerubusunyaze ni ya GyeNyamepalace. Who wins the crown? Cash and a Dubai trip papabi. Which school takes the bragging rights and ultimate prize of brand new desktop computers and no 45,000 Ghana cedi. Watching any weekly broadcast of this reality show on ONUA TV and live streaming on all Renef Foundation social media handles. Epede keep your favorite contestant or competition imwa. Dial star 447 star 200 hash. One network in Yina. Miss Nightingale 2023, promoting health through entertainment. Main sponsors: Adansi Health Tourism, powered by Adansi Travel, Oba Spaghetti, Rumble Beef Pate, Diviconnagency. Supporting sponsor: Tasty Home, Flora Tissue, Top CHOCO, Best Beauty McVale, GyeNyamepalace. Partner: UPNMG, Purple Angels Kids Foundation.
Miss Nightingale 2023, Kwesi Debia, 4 p.m. Ewo ONUA TV so.
ONUA TV, ye dwene ho pa.